Hello students, this is the next lecture of your chapter 2 of Excel. In previous lecture I taught you about the sorting the data. Sorting the data means arranging data in a specific order, ascending or descending order. Now the next topic is here, custom sort. Generally custom sort is used for sorting more than one column at a time. So how we will sort more than one column at a time we will see in the practical. But remember one thing, that only one column will be sorted, that we will take at first. So now let us do the practical of the custom sort. Click the search box and type there Excel app. Excel. So here you will get the Excel software or Excel app. Click the Excel app. Click the blank workbook. A new workbook will be opened. So increase the size of the row and column as per your requirement. So I increased like this. Okay. Now some data we have to maintain here. So I am going to maintain the data. Now I maintained data like this: name of the player, runs scored, and wickets taken. So to use the custom sort on this one, now we will click the home tab. Click the home tab, and in the corner you will get here sort and filter option. In sort and filter option you will get here custom sort. So click the custom sort, you will get this box. And another way to open this box is there, that click the data tab and click the sort option, and then again you will get the same box. So two ways are there to use this option. First one is through the home tab and second one is through the data tab. In this box the first is given sort by. We will take here the first column on which we want to perform the sorting. So now the first column I selected here, runs scored. On the basis of this one we are going to do the sorting, and in the runs scored here cell values are there, means because we have taken the values, so we will take the cell values. And in which order do you want to keep it here? So smallest to largest. Now the next column if you want to add, then click the add label. The next column will be added. So after the runs scored, which column do you want to sort? So here the next column I took wickets taken, and here also cell values will be there, and in this one I took here largest to smallest. But one thing you can see there, that only the first column, runs scored column, will be arranged in the smallest to larger, and according to that data, means according to the runs scored, the name of the player and wickets taken will be arranged. See here, I click the OK button, then you can see, look at here, 12, 15, 17, 36, 42, 42 like this. I took the wickets taken in largest to smallest, but it is not arranged there. Only this column is arranged. So we can say that only what column will be arranged if we are taking custom sorts 2.